All right, congratulations, you are done with day 6 and we have a final application. So you learned so many new things. You learned how to create, well, basically today we only focused on state, but state is very important. So you saw how you can update your user interface with interactions with your user interface. And you saw how powerful state is because it really allows you to make a change to a variable, and that variable makes a change to the user interface, and you can change the user interface and that changes the variable, and it all happens so seamlessly, which is pretty powerful. So time for a tea. So it's the end of the day. So congratulations for making it all the way to the end of day 6. And now we have today, what tea do I have? I have Früchtemischung, which is like a fruit mix tea. So it's like, what is it? It seems like there's apple in there. It's like a flour kind of thing. Hagebutte, yeah, all kinds of stuff. I wouldn't even know the English terms for them. So let's put it in there. Let's see for how much longer I can maintain having unique teas for the day. So it's day 6, so 6 different teas for now. And there we are. Let's pour it in. There we are. Good old tea. And I also, as a special treat, because I was at the gym today, I got myself a little, well, I don't know what the English name for it is, but something baked. We Germans love our baked stuff. And this is a cinnamon bun. Maybe, no, not cinnamon bun. In German, it's a Zimtschnecke. As you can see, I already had a little bit of it. So this is a Zimtschnecke, which you could translate to cinnamon snail. Freaking snail, man. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this cinnamon snail because it's quite sweet. And I have to say, I am really proud of you for making it all the way to day 6. There's one more cool day that we have ahead of us for this week. And then there will be the next week. And I already talked to my my assistant who helps me prepare the course. And week 2 will be so cool. So using view models in Jetpack Compose will be next week. This will be really advanced stuff, but it will make you a really good app developer. Working with data sources, RESTful API, this is going to be insane. We're going to build a cooking app. Then navigation between composables, which means between different screens, jumping between screens. Oh, that would be so nice. And then location, using location in our app to use Google Maps, for example, and then room database the day after. So really, really cool topics await you next week. But for tomorrow, we have a shopping list app. So you will learn about lists. You will learn about many other things, a lot more, especially lists and user interface. So we saw how to use lists in Kotlin, but how can we display items as a list? That's something we will cover tomorrow. So for now, happy tea. Cheers on you and happy snack. And I wish you all the best. Have a great afternoon or evening or whenever you're done with this day, and see you tomorrow.